In the wake of recent global events like COVID-19 pandemic, wildfires, hurricanes, tropical storms, wars, there's been a surge of interest surrounding the concept of home self-sufficiency. And the autonomous home may just be the ultimate luxury of the future, and potentially an erroneous marketing opportunity for savvy real estate professionals. So defining the autonomous home. An autonomous home is one that's designed to operate independently, relying on its own resources for power, water, and even food production. And these homes often incorporate features such as geothermal, solar power systems, generators, batteries, hydroponic vegetable gardens, intensive weatherproofing, fireproofing, and insulation. There may also be rainwater retention tanks and other sustainable LEED green technologies. So what was once considered the domain of the ultra-cautious or paranoid is now transitioning into the mainstream. The realities of the world with increasing risks, intensifying storms, rising temperatures, droughts, flooding, and pandemics have made what was once viewed as extreme caution into prudent and wise preparation. So as societies and technologies advance, features that promote self-sufficiency will become increasingly desirable and valuable in real estate. So while surface luxuries will always have an audience, engineered luxury designed for safety, comfort, and sustainability, the ability to weather the storms without really relying on others or anything else, are going to grow in demand as the benefits become more and more apparent. So there's cost savings and value. So not only do these engineered luxuries provide safety and peace of mind, but they also likely to reduce monthly maintenance costs, especially in the terms of insurance premiums that are so important today. So in some high insurance areas, insurance costs have soared to the point where obtaining coverage is more expensive than rebuilding every 7 to 10 years. And autonomous homes can mitigate some of these risks, making them a wise investment for long-term cost savings and property value appreciation. So preparing for the future, what can we do? As real estate advisors, it's our responsibility to stay ahead of the curve and help our clients navigate these emerging trends. I mean, whether we're really assisting buyers in finding the perfect autonomous property or guiding homeowners on strategic updates, understanding the value and benefits of self-sufficient homes will be crucial in the years to come. So stay tuned for more insights on this exciting topic, and let's work together on creating a future where homes are not only luxurious, but also resilient and sustainable. This has been your trusted real estate advisor, Alex Kieran. And for more real estate tips and tricks and everything about San Francisco Bay Area trends, follow 415 Residents for more. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue providing this valuable information for you and the masses.